Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, and once again, welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today in this video, we are going to repair this 32-inch Sony LED TV that has a display problem. See friends, the complaint with this TV is a double image and screen flickering. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in the gate signals inside the glass panel. The panel shorting may be on either the right side or the left side of the glass panel. Note: if the gate signals on both sides are shorted, then it is difficult to repair. See friends, this is the situation, so let's start the repair process. These are the gate signal tracks from the right side and the left side of the glass panel. Here, we are going to implement the CKV line cutting method on the shorted side. Unfortunately, we can't predict beforehand which side's gate signals are shorted, so in this situation, we need to try our luck. We are going to cut the left side gate signals first. If the picture comes back, we do nothing else. If it doesn't, then we must rejoin all the cut tracks and cut the opposite side. See friends, we finally cut the left side gate signals, but the complaint remains the same. So, here we need to rejoin all the cut tracks and cut down the opposite side's gate signals. Finally, we rejoin the left side gate signals and cut the right gate signals. Now the picture has returned, and the TV has started working normally again. However, always remember that this is only a temporary solution. The permanent solution is always panel replacement. We can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It depends completely on luck. So that's it. I hope you like our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get further notifications. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.